I'm meteorologist Scotty Powell breaking in. We have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings just issued out from the National Weather Service. Let's take a look at this first one. This is in Iredell County. This is going to go until 7:30 for Iredell and Rowan County. Again, Cleveland, you're in this severe thunderstorm warning. Mooresville, as well as Statesville. So Cleveland, you're looking at storms around 7:17. We have Mooresville down at 7:45. These severe thunderstorms dropping to the southeast around 20 to 25 miles per hour, producing some damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. We have frequent lightning, torrential rainfall, and even some hail with these storms, up to a quarter-size hail. And that could do some damage to some homes and cars. So be careful and mindful of that. We have another severe thunderstorm warning, actually two up here in Burke County. This first one in northern Burke County along Highway 181 in the Oak Hill community. You could see damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, as well as some torrential rainfall, frequent lightning. This is going to be just north of Morganton. So if you are in the Morganton area, you want to probably be mindful of that and watch this storm. We also have a secondary storm, severe thunderstorm warning, that is really starting to strengthen in southeastern Burke County. This is going to be for Pleasant Grove over towards Kaiser in northern Cleveland County, as well as Shoops Ford there at 809. So this severe thunderstorm producing a lot of lightning. Look at that, 155 strikes right now of lightning. So a very electrical storm. And again, this is moving off to the south and east around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So we could see this storm really move into portions of Lincoln County, as well as Bellwood there in northern Cleveland County. And this severe thunderstorm warning goes until 7:30. As we're tracking out this storm, we're looking at Tacula around 7:14, Johnstown at 7:46, and Cherryville at 8 p.m. So again, this severe thunderstorm warning going to be moving into Lincoln County eventually. Talking about the severe weather, one of the primary concerns with these severe thunderstorm warnings is hail. And we're looking right now around quarter-size to penny-size hail with these storms. And again, it's not going to do a lot of damage, but it could produce some damage to your cars, even some crops, with a lot of gardeners out there who are doing a lot of gardening this time of the year. So that hail could affect those storms. Right now, looking at Futurecast, this is 7 p.m., so you can see those storms really lining up along Interstate 40. And as we advance, these storms are going to start to move south. So as these storms move south into Charlotte around 9 p.m., Gastonia, Shelby, into the upstate of South Carolina, be mindful of that if you have any outdoor plans. Looks good now, but as we go throughout the evening, those storms are going to be moving into the area. As we look through 11 p.m., finally the instability will start to move and weaken in the area, and those storms are going to be moving off to the south. So not much to worry about after the sun really sets this evening. Not only do we have a severe weather threat today, but tomorrow we're all in this moderate category, medium category for severe weather. As we go into Thursday, again, more of the same. Severe thunderstorms possible on Thursday. We're looking at the possibility of some damaging winds, large hail, torrential rainfall that could lead to some isolated flash flooding, as well as frequent lightning with these storms. So kind of in that rinse and repeat forecast right now, where we're seeing severe weather each day, as well as heat and humidity. So let's look at these storm impacts right now. You can see really we're zoning in on the 6 to 8 p.m. time frame to 10 p.m. time frame. That's where we could see the possibility of seeing damage in winds from those downbursts. And with the heat and humidity that we have and the instability, it's not going to take much to see those winds really come to the surface. So remember, those downburst winds can create a lot of damage with trees and things like that. So if you have any outdoor furniture, you may want to bring that inside, or at least move it into an area that doesn't see the wind. So those umbrellas, pool umbrellas or lawn chairs, don't go flying through the sky for your Wednesday and Thursday. Also looking at the flash flood threat with the heat and humidity, a lot of moisture in the air. The slow moving storms and a lot of moisture in the air, we could see some isolated flash flooding issues as well. So we'll have to watch that. Not only are we talking about those severe thunderstorms, also talking about the heat and the humidity. Here's a look at the next 3 days. Temperatures in the mid-90s across the board, but take a look at the heat index, anywhere between 104 to 107. So those heat indexes could mean that we see heat advisories issued for at least Wednesday and Thursday of this week. So you have to take that heat and take those precautions That means taking those breaks inside, wearing loose-fitting clothing, and staying hydrated as well. So the heat, humidity, and thunderstorms are all a big story. That's why we've got this weather aware issued out for our storms and for the heat. And then as we look into the weekend, finally some relief on the way. Sunday and Monday, we're looking at the temperatures in the 80s, low temperatures in the 70s. And then as you look at Tuesday, we start to warm back up as we get to 90 degrees.